Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on Dolphin Emulator for Wii games. First, connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your computer. You can use a USB cable for a wired connection or pair it wirelessly via Bluetooth. Make sure your operating system successfully detects the controller as an input device. Once connected, launch the Dolphin Emulator application. Then, navigate to the Controllers section within the main menu to begin the setup process. This initial step is crucial for seamless integration. Now, let's configure Dolphin's settings. In the Wii Remote section, select Standard Controller for Wii Remote 1. This tells Dolphin you're using a traditional gamepad. Next, click the Configure button right beside it. A new window will appear, allowing you to choose your input device. From the Device drop-down menu, select your PlayStation 4 controller, which might appear as DS4 or D-input/0/wireless controller. This links your physical controller to Dolphin's virtual Wii remote. With your controller selected, it's time to map the buttons. Go through each button listed in Dolphin's configuration window and click to assign it. Press the corresponding button on your PlayStation 4 controller. For example, map the Wii's button to your PS4 cross button. Don't forget to map the analog sticks for movement and camera control. Once all buttons are assigned, save your custom controller profile. This ensures you won't have to repeat this process every time you play. Finally, let's fine-tune your experience. You can adjust dead zones and sensitivity settings for your analog sticks to achieve more precise input. Some Wii games utilize motion controls. If your game requires them, you might need to experiment with Dolphin's motion input options. Once you are satisfied with your configuration, click OK to close the settings. Now, simply launch your favorite Wii game from Dolphin's main menu and enjoy playing with your PlayStation 4 controller. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.